back at DNA Garage because we are going to be installing the new two-step button and the Flamethrower tune. So I do have two-step right now, but I have two-step when I hit rev limiter. We're gonna set this up, so we're gonna have a button on the steering wheel, and essentially we're gonna be doing a two-step out around like 6,000 or 7,000 RPM, just so it saves the motor, and it pretty much puts all the stress on the turbo, but hey, I'd rather buy a new turbo after breaking it from two-stepping than replacing a whole entire motor because I broke it two-stepping, which sounds like something I probably would do. So the Flamethrower tune is one of my favorite tunes. We saw it when we were in New Zealand and PPRE. Pretty much on decel, it just chucks out this huge 4 or 5 foot flame out the back of the pipe, which is amazing. And I'm gonna go inside because I don't have my sunglasses on and it's killing me to look into the camera right now.
You want to pick up the wire for us?
Yeah, it's a little smoky right now. They even put the fan on because they couldn't handle the fumes. I like it. I'm used to it, baby. That's so good. Felt that in the one in the chest. They're working out some numbers right now. If I was a tuner, I'd be able to explain it to you a little bit better, but Blue is on the phone with Nelson and they're figuring out the perfect formula to create the perfect backfire. I can't even describe to you how bad my ears hurt right now, but it's so worth it. Can't help it. footage of the RX-7 driving home with the flames. So right now we have it set up that on D-cell, the injectors stay on. It's still pumping out gasoline. So on D-cell, the gas just burns up and holds like a gnarly flame out the back. And that's like casual driving. I don't need to do anything to make it do that. It will just, right now, it automatically does that. So I had like a bunch of attention driving home on the freeway, and it was too hard to film everything at night. Oftentimes when I drive, I see a lot of like subscribers on the road and people saying what's up, but there was like a lot more tonight. Like literally like probably 10 to 20 people were filming us, and they were just driving by filming us. And I didn't see any flames coming out the back. I couldn't see anything. I thought you'd see the road behind us lighting up, and I didn't see anything. I was like, that's just weird. They might just be taking photos of the car. I'm not really sure. On the way home, once we got back to the shop, me and Calvin live in the same area, so we drive home together like the same way. And Calvin said the whole way home, the car is like, even when I'm not even like really driving aggressively, it's just like literally a blowtorch out the back of the car. So circling back to what I just said, we must have been just like doing a little fucking light show on the way home. A bunch of people were filming us, which I gotta be very careful not to do that in front of cops, or I need to figure that out, because that will not go over well. And I also checked on Instagram, a bunch of you guys actually saw us on the freeway and were posting videos of us on your story of my car just like lighting up, which is awesome. And the two-step is awesome. I know I didn't really show too many details of how to do it and all that stuff, but I'll do that in future videos. I filmed the best I could today. It's always hard during dyno days and stuff because there's so much going on, but that was awesome. I'm sorry for today's shorter video. I'm probably going to be taking a day off tomorrow because I've literally done like 3 weeks straight of uploading and I need one day off. I just want to hang out with Sabrina and hang out with friends and not really worry about anything. So I hope you guys will understand that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. And I'm feeling